The build continues this week with rafters going up, the weather turns, and we try to keep materials dry. And a stage we've been looking to for ages, step 1 of installing the new sewage treatment plant. Also, Graf have created their own video showing off the install, as well as sharing some things about our journey you might not have heard about yet. I've included a link in the description so you can pop over and watch it for yourself. Alright, so this is our second bag of stones. It's 20 mil stones to go in the sewage treatment plant hole to weigh it down, provide drainage and such. However, we have Doug shamefully in the background because it is an 800 kilogram bag, but it is wet stone and he just can't lift it. I think if it was lower he could lift it, but with it he can't lift it. We've tried. He just gets angry. So we're doing it by hand while Doug, we're shaming him in the background. And to try to stay ahead of the comments I suspect we'll get, we did try using Doug to scoop out of the bag, but the bucket put too much pressure on our truck suspension, and we also didn't want to drag a full bag of stones off the opened tail of the truck. So that's why we're doing the first bit by hand. All right, bag number 2 of 3. Let's go. After fighting with this bag, we realized we wouldn't actually have enough with the 3 bags, so we ordered a truck bed full of gravel delivered instead. Okay, unfortunately everything isn't covered up yet and we've had some rain, so that's not bad, but there are some puddles in our house. It goes all the way through, and obviously because there's now block work all the way around, I think they're gonna have to put a hole in somewhere to let some of this out. But you can't really do a whole lot about it till the roof is on, and you can't just magically put up the entire house in one go. That'd be nice as a skylight. But yeah, it is sad seeing the water inside. But hopefully next week they have the roof on, and this will be protected from happening again. And we're used to seeing our buildings completely soaked in water, right?
It's standard.
Standard for Wales. So we'll just focus on this window because it is amazing through that window. We'll ignore the puddles. Okay, so we've come up to the roof, well, the first floor. There's just a little bit of rain on it, and I know this stuff is for construction and it can deal with some water, but I figure why leave standing puddles when it can be cleared off. Not too bad. And then it isn't sat in a puddle, so it's better without, so we're just going to push it over the edge. just to give it a chance to dry out as much as possible before it rains again. Don't know how we're going to do my office. I don't think I've actually even given you a tour yet. This is going to be my office craft graveyard area. There's the bathroom area. Here's our balcony. And then here's some storage there. And then this is our bedroom with our view out there. Pretty cool. And over here, this is all enclosed, so I'm not actually sure I can get this water out. Okay, so Dan's getting some towels, and I think we're just gonna get the worst of it and wring it out over the side, just so it's not a puddle. Because why leave it as a puddle? All right, so that's us finished mopping our outside house. Done for now. So one of the things that's going to help stop rain from getting in our house is getting the rafters up. And the first phase of them is going up today. With phase 1 of the rafters up, it's time to focus on the sewage treatment plant. It's so exciting seeing our sewage treatment plant finally going into the ground. We're really glad we decided to replace the old system rather than keep battling with something that was never going to be as good. Once everything's fully installed and up and running, we'll put together a dedicated video covering all the benefits of this Graf system and why it's the best choice for us. For now though, one thing that's immediately obvious is the difference in appearance. The lid on the left is from our old system, and the one on the right is from the new Graf system. It's so much less intrusive than the huge old lid and will be much easier to blend into the garden. So just while our sewage treatment plant is being buried over there, I thought I'd show you the kiosk that we're going to be installing the control panel in. And so you've got that bit on the left is the lid, and then on the right is the housing for the control panel. And I believe we bury it about up to here, but don't hold me to that and check your instruction manual. And then that pops up on top and keeps it waterproof. And then you've got the exit for, I believe it's the hoses that go through there, but it might be the electrics. So I just have to double check that. But yeah, there's the kiosk. So it makes it really handy to keep your control panel nearby and waterproof.
And that's our graph system buried in place and ready for stage 2. Setting up the kiosk with all the hoses and electrics. Graf were actually here on installation day filming the whole process, and they also sat down and chatted with us about our journey so far. So if you'd like to see a bit more behind the scenes and hear a few things we haven't talked about on the channel before, we've linked their video in the description below.